Let's learn how to apply custom material on 3D text in Adobe Illustrator. I have kept my document size to 1920 by 1080 pixels with a resolution of 300. Before we begin, let's think of a word. I'm going with the word cookie. So we'll select the type tool and type the first letter, and then select it using Ctrl+A. Now let's change the font to BadDog. You can use any font you like, or you can download this font using the link given in the description below. Then let's set the font size to 350 pixels. Now let's select the selection tool and move the letter towards the left of the artboard. Now click on Window, then 3D in Materials, and you will get this panel. Now click on Inflate and keep these settings as it is. Then go in Materials. Here you can see a plus icon. Click on it and then click on Add Material so that we can add our own material. Then select the material file and click on Open.
Excuse me, what if we don't know from where to download the material?
Don't worry, we got you. Come to this site. We have mentioned the site link in the description below. Click on Materials. Here you have 19 categories and over 1,000 plus options to choose from. Choose the category you want, and then click on the material you like. Here you can check if it's compatible with Adobe Illustrator or no, and then click on Download File. You will see your material here once you add it. Click on it and it will get applied to your text. We'll set the repeat to 350. You will need to play with the repeat value to get your desired look. Now let's go to lighting. You can copy these values or can tweak the values as per your requirement. Once done with that, we can enable shadows. Set position to behind object and set shadow bounds to 400%. Once you are satisfied with the font, material, and lighting, duplicate the alphabet by pressing Alt plus left click and drag and type your next letter. Then repeat the steps to complete the word. Once done, rotate the letters and move them to give randomness as per your liking. After this, select all the letters and press Ctrl+G to group. Then come to Align section and make sure Align to Artboard is enabled, and center align it by clicking on Horizontal and Vertical Align Center. Now let's add a background. Go to File, then click on Place, and select your background image and click on Place. Left-click on the top left corner to place the image, and then press Ctrl+Shift+Open bracket to move the background layer below the text layer. Then go to Layer section and make sure to lock the background image by clicking here, so it doesn't move by mistake. Now let's add some cookies to the background. Left-click hold on the rectangle tool and select the ellipse tool. Then create a circle by holding Shift and left-click drag. Then select the selection tool and place it at the top left corner, and then make more duplicates and place it randomly. Once done placing, select those shapes using the Selection tool and open 3D and Materials panel and repeat the same steps as before. Then select the Pen tool to create random shapes to resemble broken pieces of a cookie. Then tweak the shape using the Direct Selection tool. Then select those shapes and open the 3D and Materials panel and repeat the steps. Then do all the final adjustments. I request you to save your file at this point by going in File and then click on Save, or by pressing Ctrl+S. Once you're done saving, let's do ray tracing to get a realistic look and feel. I request you not to do all the shapes at once, as it might lag or show Adobe Illustrator not responding, or might even lead to Adobe Illustrator crashing, and in case if it crashes, just reopen the save file and try ray tracing again. We'll do one shape at a time. Now, to do ray tracing, select the shape and open 3D and Materials panel, and here is the ray tracing icon. Click on it once and let it render. Once it's done, do the same with the other shapes. For the letters, let's first ungroup them by right-click and then click on Ungroup. Once all are done ray tracing, we'll select the Rectangle tool and make a big rectangle covering our artboard. To fit your artboard to the screen, press Ctrl+0, then zoom out by using Alt+Scroll wheel and select the Selection tool and select everything. Then right-click and click on Make Clipping Mask so that anything outside the artboard gets cut. And here we are done. Hope you liked the tutorial. Hope you got to learn something new. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.